Tired of manually entering Stripe transactions into Wave and dealing with the headache of reconciliation? In this video, I'll show you how to connect Stripe to Wave accounting so that every payment is automatically recorded, giving you accurate financial reports. First, log into your Wave accounting account. Next, navigate to the Get Paid section on the left-hand menu, and then select Payment Pages. On the Payments page section, click on the Connect Stripe button. This will redirect you to Stripe, where you'll be prompted to log into your Stripe account. After logging in, you'll be asked to authorize Wave's access to your Stripe data. Review the permissions carefully, and then click Connect or Authorize. You'll then be redirected back to Wave, where you should see a confirmation message indicating that Stripe is successfully connected. Now, navigate to the Accounting section, and then to Transactions. You should see your Stripe transactions automatically populating in the list, ready for categorization. Wave will even automatically match Stripe payouts to the corresponding transactions, significantly simplifying your reconciliation process. And just like that, your financial reports are now more accurate and up-to-date than ever before. By automating this process, you'll save time, reduce errors, and gain better visibility into your business finances.